I created New Garden Road so I could share my love of gardening with you. My name is Scott Blackburn. My goal is to make videos that share my love and passion for gardening in a way that is inspirational, helps people gain some knowledge, some tips, and also elevates their daily life. I think everybody should get out there and try growing something at least once. It's all about raised bed vegetable gardening. I love building gardens, maintaining gardens, growing food organically, 100% organic. I'm always growing something year round here in Austin, Texas. We really have 2 seasons here. I can plant some spring crops in the fall and take them through the cool season, protect them, and you can go quite a lot of food that way. I feel like the more I do out here, the more ideas I have. It really enriches my life. It helps me balance my stress out from my day job, and I feel good about the food that I can grow. Thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel. Leave me a question or comment. Share the channel with someone else you know might enjoy it. Just trying to do something good, something positive, put something positive out there.